Well guys, welcome back to another Grow Your BNB video. So today's special video because this is actually a phone call with Jason, who at the moment we're August 2021, and today I've just received a call from Jason to let me know that he's just managed to secure a £6,000 direct booking. Now what I did was I recorded our phone call while he's telling me, so it'd be a very interesting obviously phone call, but also I want to share you how he's achieved that and how we as a Grow Your BNB help operators like Jason, who's brand new to the industry, to service accommodation, short-term rental industry, to achieve this kind of results on their very first month. Now, if you're new to this channel, guys, I have done so many videos throughout the lockdown, right, in 2020, and I've also helped and saved a lot of business over the lockdown to shut down purely because of the way we brand our properties and short-term rental business. Now, guys, something that I do want to mention today is Jason and Blandine, who are my clients at JB Stays, they came with me once I've worked with another client who is a friend of Jason, actually, Matt. And Matt's actually going to do a client interview with me soon because he's achieved some fantastic results. I mean, again, we're in August right now. He's actually fully booked till November this year, right? So something I want to share today is, firstly, Jason's actually a referral client of Matt, who's worked with me before. So nowadays we're working with a lot of clients who know each other and they're coming to us to actually start growing their business, firstly. Secondly, not only they've achieved this £6,000 direct booking, before they were setting up their unit, they got onboarded with me, which means I secured them another £2,000 direct booking for 14 nights. Now, yes, the numbers are big, but the property itself is actually based in London, which attracted a lot of bigger clienteles because the property is set up for big clients. And yeah, I was very excited to showcase that to them. But actually now, within this time frame, and I'm actually having their first ever consulting call this weekend, they've now already made £8,000 worth of booking with over 46 nights booking. So guys, very excited to share the client call now. They obviously send you a message, right? So saying I want to book, and with a discount. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. So you redirect them back into. So is this the same client from last time?
No, they're from Asia, and I saw them, and they were a little bit hesitant at first. Said, look, I'm checking in yesterday. You're more than welcome to come over at 9:30 this morning.
Mm-hmm.
So, which what I did. And obviously he's given a little bit of confirmation. Yeah, he's probably, they said it's the best they've seen, which was nice.
Lovely.
And like the big book, really. So yeah, it's just insane. I'm like, I can understand cab now and that, I want to get more units.
Well, look, this is just the start of your journey. Look, I'm so pleased to be a part of your journey.
Thank you, Piers. I mean, like, you're a bit apprehensive when you start anything, but
yeah.
The fact that they're checking in the day, the 2-week booking, they're checking out is, it's amazing.
Yeah, no, mate. Honestly, Jason, the beauty about this industry, and I always say to my clients, I'm so lucky that I work with such a handful of people in the UK, and even if I do, I don't know what works for everyone, but it works, if that makes sense, right? Because whenever I onboard you, I always. Mate, honestly, and every time I onboard clients, I'm always in that phase of going, what can I achieve for this people, right? So, because you guys have invested with a trust with me, and the fact, mate, you know what, I'm so pleased.
To be honest with you, Piers, I redirected Matt to you. It was me, because I watched your stuff. You were genuine. I've spoken to Cab because I know the young boy so well. He's such a good kid. I said to Matt when he initially said, I said, look, sign up with Piers. So from what I'm saying, no, really, mate, it's the best money you'll spend. And lo and behold, here I am. I said I was going to sign up with you when Matt did. I was just a few weeks behind.
Yeah.
So there we go, mate. And I'm singing your praises to everyone I come across.
Mate, I really appreciate it. Look, Jason, if I can do anything else, please let me know. And do you know what? The beauty is we've got to have our first week call, mate. So we've got to sit down and go through a lot anyway, but it's beauty that we have a relaxing next 4 weeks when you've made your money as well. So good. No, really excited, mate. Really
Nice.
excited.
I paid the landlord 3 months in advance. So, it's nice that it's all back and some now.
Wow.
I've got 3 months to just sort of really push.
Yeah, and make a lot of profit. That's like the important part.
I'm doing all the little gimmicky things now. I'm getting some fridge magnets just for the gift set, mugs, just stuff they can stick in the fridge and remember us by, little things.
Yeah, love that. Love that.
Mate. It's gone so well. I think as well, we did do it to a nice spec.
Yeah, the product itself. Yeah, the product and the location helps. Our job is just to attract the clientele that you want to attract, which is long-term bookings, right? So the fact that I think it's fair to say it's a mixture of product, branding, like it's so much things, Matt. Jason, sorry, Jason, it's not just like one product fits everything, and the beauty is, like you said, we've achieved it. So good, like, mate. Okay, I've sent you a link, by the way, last night to book our first call.
Oh, did you really? Let me look.
Yeah.
Sorry,
yeah. I've sent you.
I was up till honestly, I was up till 3 o'clock negotiating with this guy because he was like, here and there. But we got it in the end. So
lovely. So your money's already in the bank then?
Yes.
Mate, so what? So when's your 2K guests checking out?
They're checking out on 2 weeks, Monday week.
Okay.
2 weeks Monday. And the guys checking in the same day.
Oh my goodness me, not even a single void.
No.
Oh mate, right, Jason, I'm gonna leave you to it, mate. It's gonna we gotta share this success, so it's gonna be in social. But look, mate, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Jason. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, mate. Bye. Bye.
Now let's talk about what does this mean to Jason and JB Stay, right? So something I always talk about is, listen, when you're getting direct bookings like this, you have saved a lot of commission. Now, 17, 18, even 20% on booking.com sometimes. That in £8,000 is a lot of money, right? Now that has gone back into their business, which I'm very, very grateful about. Also, Jason mentioned that he's actually paid his landlord 3 months up front, which means the money now he's bringing back into his business is kind of pure profit, because the investment has been already made. Now, secondly, imagine creating a business that you've gone just into it and they've now been in the business just 2 weeks. The fact that they've now tasted about long-term bookings, quality profitable bookings, they will never go back into doing service accommodation, which is very smaller night bookings, right? Now, the exciting part is when we do branding, this is what we show people. It is never about smaller night bookings. We get enough clients coming to us with some messy calendars. Saturday books here, Saturday book there. They take booking as it comes, and you might be one of them who at the moment is going through that. And look, we would love to talk to you. We also say all the time that, look, if you are new or if you are even experienced operators, there's no harm chatting to us in Grow Your BnB, because our best interest is to get you the best booking or the best quality booking possible. Now, if you haven't watched many of my client case study, I will always recommend you go back and check. Recently Ali's been getting some amazing results from 2 of his property. I've got Jeff, who's portfolio investor, who's done really well for his business. I'll put the link down below as well. So look, the main thing is, please start thinking about short-term rental business versus service accommodation, which is where the difference is. Do you want a smaller night bookings, or do you want to focus on getting long-term bookings? And that is where the difference is in the industry right now. Well, thank you so much for watching another Grow Your BnB video. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you are subscribed. Hit the notification bell on so you get my videos alert all the time. And also, please do connect to my socials, because that is where I put a lot of daily value, daily client wins. And at the end of the day, if you want to learn more about short-term rental, please make sure you connect with me.